Is your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max screen staying on even when locked? You're not alone. About 15–20% of users have experienced this bug, primarily on iOS 18.0 through 18.2. It's caused by a software conflict with the always-on display feature, which keeps a subtle clock and widgets visible. The good news is Apple has addressed this with iOS 18.3. Update your iPhone through Settings, General, Software Update. For immediate relief, try force restarting your device. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button. Or toggle off Always On Display in Settings, Display and Brightness. If updating or restarts don't work, proceed to Section 2 for advanced troubleshooting. If the screen-on issue persists after updating to iOS 18.3, the problem may be related to app conflicts or hardware anomalies. First, consider disabling background app refresh for apps you don't frequently use in Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Some users have found that certain apps, especially those with push notifications or gaming overlays, interfere with the lock screen. Next, ensure your iPhone isn't overheating, as thermal throttling can affect display behavior. If all else fails, back up your iPhone and perform a DFU restore. This reinstalls the operating system and can resolve deeper software glitches. Going forward, regularly update iOS, manage background app refresh, and avoid extreme temperatures to prevent this issue from recurring. If problems continue, contact Apple support.